How to simplify the fraction 7 over 2 into its simplest form, lowest term, or reduced form. To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or greatest common divisor. 1 times 2 equal to 2, so 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. 1 times 7 equal to 7, so 1 and 7 are the factors of 7. The greatest common factor between these two numbers is 1. Actually, this 2 is a prime number, this 7 is also a prime number. This 7 is prime number because it has factor 1 and the digit itself. 2 is a prime number because it has two factor 1 and the digit itself. So greatest common factor or divisor is 1. So divide this 7 by 1, 2 by 1. You are getting 7 over 2. This is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we need to convert this improper fraction to mixed number. So how to do that? Divide 7 by 2. 2 goes into 7 3 times. 3 times 2 6, subtract 1. So quotient will be whole number part, remainder will be the numerator, and divisor will be the denominator. 3 and half is our answer.